Side hustlers, business builders, creators of the new economy. What if I told you that AI isn't just some fancy buzzword, but a game changer for your side hustle? Yep, it's here, and it's shaking things up. Whether you're designing, creating content, marketing, or even making music, there are AI tools ready to take your hustle to the next level. And today, we're going to dive into the most innovative ways to use AI in 2024 to supercharge your side hustle. Buckle up, this isn't your grandma's AI. We're going deep with tools that are fresh, edgy, and most importantly, profitable. Let's get it. Alright, first up, let's talk content creation because let's be real. Content is king, queen, and the whole royal family in today's world. But what if you don't have hours to spend scripting, filming, editing, and polishing content for your side hustle? Enter AI content tools. Let's look at a couple of tools that are going to change how you create right now. Meet Copy.ai. This tool generates high-quality, engaging text in minutes. Emails, blogs, social media captions, you name it. Let's say you're running an Instagram page for your online store or service-based business, and you need captions that not only sell, but pop. Copy.ai gives you instant results. It's like having a marketing team, but for free, or almost. And if you're looking for even more depth, say hello to Jasper.ai. This powerhouse tool lets you build out long-form content like blogs or ebooks, perfect for nurturing leads or establishing yourself as an expert in your niche. I mean, why spend hours writing blog posts when you can have Jasper spit out 2,000 words of pure gold? Look, content creation doesn't have to suck up your time anymore, thanks to AI tools. Just type in a few prompts and boom, your content is done. And pro tip, AI-generated content also boosts SEO if done right, meaning more organic traffic, which leads to ka-ching. Now, let's talk about video. Whether you're creating tutorials, product demos, or just fun social content, video is essential. But let's be real, video editing is time-consuming. Unless, of course, you've got a secret weapon. Pictory.ai is one of the most exciting tools out there for video creators. It takes your script, turns it into a full-blown video with stock footage, transitions, and text animations, all automatically. Perfect if you want to pump out content fast. Whether you're building out YouTube content, TikToks, or those Instagram reels everyone's obsessed with, Pictory cuts your editing time down by 90%. Now, if you want a more hands-on approach but still save time, let's talk about Descript. It's an AI-powered editing tool that turns your video into text, so you can edit your video as easily as editing a Word doc. Seriously, just highlight text you don't want, delete it, and boom, your video is trimmed. It even generates subtitles automatically. Imagine creating 30-second promotional videos for your brand or side hustle in like 5 minutes. No more struggling with complex editing software. AI lets you edit faster, better, and without that feeling of I just wasted 3 hours on a 30-second video. Let's keep this AI train rolling. If you're an entrepreneur with a side hustle, you know time is your most valuable asset. The good news? AI can do a ton of heavy lifting for your business behind the scenes, automating tasks that take up way too much of your day. Say hello to Zapier, your AI-powered automation assistant. Zapier connects all the apps you use and automates the tasks between them. Imagine this. Someone fills out a contact form on your website. Zapier automatically sends a personalized email response, logs that lead into your CRM, and notifies you via Slack. That's a whole workflow automated. Another huge time saver is HubSpot, especially if you're doing sales or customer support. HubSpot's AI tools can qualify leads, send follow-ups, and even create entire marketing campaigns while you sleep. It's not just about saving time, it's about making sure no lead ever falls through the cracks. AI-powered automations mean less time on boring admin tasks, more time on growing your business, and of course, more money in the bank. Automate smarter, not harder. Alright, let's talk design, because if your brand doesn't look sharp, it's not going to stand out in a crowded market. But let's be honest, hiring designers can be expensive, and trying to design stuff yourself, it's a time sink. That's where AI comes in. Meet Dalla E3. It's an AI art generator that can create original designs based on text prompts. Need a logo for your brand? Done. Need a slick YouTube thumbnail or a standout Instagram post design? Done. All you do is type in your vision, and DALL-E brings it to life. No design degree required. Now, let's look at Canva, which has gone full AI. Canva's new magic design feature allows you to create entire branding kits in minutes. Whether it's social media posts, brochures, or business cards, AI designs everything for you, aligned with your brand's aesthetic. The best part? It's drag and drop simple. With tools like these, you can instantly make your brand look like $1 million without spending a fortune on professional designers. AI lets you level up your brand's visuals fast. So, what good is a side hustle if you're not making sales? AI is a game changer when it comes to marketing and sales funnels. It can help you attract, convert, and close leads on autopilot. First, let's talk about AdCreative.ai. This tool uses AI to create high-converting ads for Facebook, Instagram, Google, you name it. Just input your business info and target audience, and it generates dozens of ad variations optimized to get clicks. And I mean, seriously optimized. AI takes the guesswork out of figuring out what works. Next, we've got ChatGPT and email marketing. With GPT-4, you can personalize every email based on your customer's behavior. Whether it's product recommendations, follow-ups, or cart reminders, ChatGPT helps you craft email campaigns that feel personal and drive conversions. Now let's talk about funnels. Once someone clicks your ad or opens that email, they need to move down the funnel, and AI is the ultimate tool to make that happen. Tools like ClickFunnels and Kartra use AI to automatically optimize your landing pages, CTAs, and even the checkout process. We're talking higher conversions without you lifting a finger. Imagine this: AI testing different headlines, layouts, and buttons in real time to see what gets the best results. You just set it up, and AI does the rest. No more guessing which version of your funnel will work best. It figures it out for you. It's like having a 24/7 marketing team. AI tools for marketing and sales are basically your hustle's secret weapon to maximize every dollar spent on ads and squeeze the most profit out of every lead. With AI, you're not just selling, you're selling smarter. Got an e-commerce hustle? Then you're going to love this next bit. AI is transforming the e-commerce space, making it easier than ever to run a profitable online store without doing everything manually. First up, Shopify Magic. Shopify's own AI tool that helps you create product descriptions, generate personalized shopping recommendations, and even manage inventory based on real-time data. If you're juggling multiple products, Shopify Magic will save you hours while boosting your sales. Then we've got AI chatbots. Tools like Tidio or LivePerson use AI to provide 24/7 customer support, answering questions, guiding shoppers to products, and even upselling. Imagine this: a customer is about to leave your store without buying, and your AI-powered chatbot jumps in with a discount offer or product suggestion that keeps them in the cart. That's AI working directly to increase your sales. And it's not just about selling. AI helps you manage your entire e-commerce backend, from predicting which products will be hot next month to automating restocks. With AI, you can run your store at maximum efficiency without being glued to your screen 24/7. Okay, now that we've talked about how AI can build your side hustle, let's flip the script for a second. What if AI could help you learn faster and level up your skills? Spoiler alert, it can. Learning platforms like Skillshare and Udemy are now using AI to recommend courses that fit your unique learning style and goals. No more endless scrolling trying to find the right course. The AI learns from what you've already watched and suggests the perfect next step to help you grow. And then there's ChatGPT. This AI isn't just a chatbot, it's also your personal tutor. Need to learn a new skill for your side hustle, like mastering Facebook ads or Python for automating tasks? ChatGPT can explain complex topics, quiz you, and even generate practical examples you can apply right away. With AI-powered learning, you're upgrading your skills in record time, staying competitive, and making sure your side hustle doesn't just survive, it thrives. So what does the future hold for AI and side hustles? Look, the tools we're using right now are just the tip of the iceberg. AI is evolving at lightning speed, and as it does, so do the possibilities for entrepreneurs like us. We're talking about tools like AI-driven marketplaces that help you find clients based on algorithms, or fully automated service businesses that can run 24/7 without human input. The boundaries are endless, and those who adopt these technologies early are the ones who will win big. The future isn't waiting for anyone. If you've got a side hustle, or even just the idea of one, now is the time to jump on the AI wave. These tools are making it easier, faster, and more profitable to turn your ideas into reality. The key? Embrace AI, innovate, and don't be afraid to experiment. Alright, so what's next? I've given you the tools, I've shown you the strategies, now it's up to you to take action. Let's recap real quick. Start using AI to automate your content creation, video editing, and business processes. Implement AI-driven marketing and sales tools to optimize your funnels. Leverage AI design and branding tools to make your business look professional. Optimize your e-commerce hustle with AI and save time managing customers and products. Never stop learning. Use AI to speed up your personal development and skill building. If you're serious about building a profitable side hustle in 2024, these AI tools aren't just optional, they're essential. Don't wait for everyone else to catch on. Start now, get ahead, and let AI supercharge your business. Hit that subscribe button for more side hustle hacks, AI tools, and digital strategies that'll boost your business. I'm dropping new videos every week, so you don't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, keep hustling, keep innovating, and let's crush it.